Yeah, hi, I'm Jeff from Melbourne. I've come up to learn everything about Amazon selling and hopefully create a new pathway for myself and leave a bit of a future for my kids, as 9 to 5 life is not the future. So I'm here to learn, and it's been a great weekend that you need to stay positive and keep forging forward. And it's been a very honest and practical event, and with some guest speakers to break it up that have provided some inspiration and a different slant on the whole Amazon business. The main things that I learnt is that it is possible, but nothing comes without hard work, and it requires, there's a formula to it, and Peter and Alex are there to teach you that formula and strategy, and you need to stick to that so that you don't go down the wrong path. And it's one step at a time, and it's a day-by-day process, but it is achievable. I want to create substantial wealth for myself and not rely on others, but providing for me and provide for my children as well, and be able to enjoy life as I move into a different phase of life.